Hi, my name is Shawn Lee from Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. Now, just want to share with you a little bit about my family background. As the son of Chinese immigrants, I know exactly how hard it is to start a new life in a whole new country without speaking an ounce of the language. My parents are from China, but actually I'm from Thailand, and so we came in when I was 2 years old. And my parents didn't speak any English. I obviously didn't know any English, so we started from scratch. And well, we were lucky enough to have met somebody when my dad started a bakery, and having very limited English, it was extremely difficult to even start working. But luckily, that customer, he was gracious enough and patient enough to actually help my parents, start their life and working, just working in the U.S. I mean, he was so patient that he even drove my parents around to a Toyota dealership and helped them buy their first car. It was a brand new 1990 Toyota Cressida, and I guess ever since then we've been keeping in touch with him, and he's just been, just teaching us, helping them adapt to life in the U.S. And so it's because of that I want to just pay forward to the next person coming, and I feel that working in real estate would give me the perfect opportunity to do the same thing. And since I can speak multiple languages, that would be, doing real estate would be the perfect place for me to do so, to help out Chinese, Japanese, or Korean immigrants coming to the U.S., wanting to start a new life, and finding a place they call home. The reason why I chose Your Home Sold Guarantee is because of the reputation and because of what Rudy does. I mean, he doesn't really seem to be the typical broker who just wants to just collect the desk fees from the agents and whatnot. Rudy actually cares. He actually cares about all his agents, the growth, and Rudy actually gives back to the community. So, for example, we had an open house a week ago. Even the mayor of the city came. I mean, and as well as other news outlets. That's how influential Rudy is, and that's how much he cares. He cares that much where the mayor actually came down to greet him. Oh, while I was living in Korea, I got a hold of the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, and after reading that, it made me realize that everything I wanted to do in business is pretty much in real estate, and real estate would be the perfect place for me to utilize all my skill sets. So my goals in life is just to generate a passive income, and be able to retire my parents. I mean, they've been working in the bakery ever since 1992. I mean, now that we're done, my parents are still working at the bakery, which is, it's commendable that they've been doing it for this long. But no child wants to see their parents work themselves to the bones. So that's why I decided to get into real estate. This way I can make impact in other people's lives, as well as build passive income and be able to retire my parents at some point. And as for my long-term goals, my other long-term goals, I actually see myself working at Your Home Sold Guarantee for as long as I can, as long as Rudy would like me to work here.